Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Vechain.
Come back to the real crypto space, and this is not going to be financial advice, and we'll be going through coins that will potentially be doing very well within this bull cycle.
But before we get into the video, please may I ask you go down here and press subscribe and also like the video. It really helps us out in the algorithm, and more people will be able to view the videos. So first things by looking at the market cap and then the price. As you can see, the market cap is very high for the price, but don't let that scare you. As you can see, the max supply, the total supply is huge itself, 64 billion currently in circulating. So this market cap is actually perfectly normal. Don't let it scare you. It is not a small supply coin. So pretty much since the beginning of the year, January, it started shooting up. It's gone from literally 20, like a few cents. This is when we got in, right at the beginning, and it shot up all the way. Its highest was at all-time high was 27 cents, so 30% down to what it is right now. So as you can see, it's shot up a huge amount, about a 10x it's had in the space of about 4 or 5 months, which is crazy. So think about where this could actually go. With this kind of price point and this kind of market cap, it could definitely do a lot more. And yeah, so the places you can actually buy Vechain from is, the main one would be Binance or Qcoin. And the way you use Coinmarketcap to choose the best exchange to use. Like if Binance is on there, always just use Binance or Qcoin. But if those two aren't on there, the way you see is you look at the confidence level, and then you look at the volume as well. And the volume is how much is used on that exchange right now. There's $260 million on Vechain just on Binance, and then $35 million on the US Binance. So as you can see, this is obviously going to be a very trusted source. Well, Binance is trusted already, but because of the amount of money that is in that, that would be the safest exchange to use.
So, what exactly is VeChain? On the website, it basically gives an explanation on how it is the world's leading blockchain application platform driven by enterprise adoption. Okay, so the one thing that I really like about VeChain is that it's been here for a very long time. All right, it's been here since around Litecoin, Ripple days. So this kind of gives people confidence, and it kind of gives people an ecosystem to actually invest in. And as you can see, it's partnered with many networks, and it's easy to deploy blockchain platform. So that not only just proves to us that it's going to be a safer investment to these other altcoins, but it also shows us that it can be built upon, and it's something that is not going to be staying the same for a very long time. The roadmap for this coin is amazing, and in my opinion, it's got one of the best roadmaps for the upcoming altcoin season. And as you can see, they've got a professional global team, not only in their promotional techniques, they've got a great promotional team, not only from their global team, but they've got teams all around the country so that they can specify each roles and delegate each roles to customers. So they've also had a proven enterprise in many industries. Okay, so VeChain has not only been supported by digital businesses, and it allows for blockchain solutions to be fixed. Okay, which is a big thing in cryptocurrency. How carbon emissions are getting increased because of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the VeChain kind of fixes that and kind of makes it better for the environment. As you can see, there's a lot of cryptocurrencies that emit a lot of carbon into the atmosphere, and it's not very good for, the world. So VeChain here is trying to fix that with its solutions, as you can see, trying to make liquefied natural gas solutions, automotive passport solutions, consumer confidence, digital carbon ecosystem, retail solutions, and logistics solutions. All these other solutions that you're trying to fix, especially agriculture solutions, which is a factor in this world. As you can see, this kind of incorporates a lot of things that VeChain wants to fix, and it's kind of targeting each sector, and it allows for people that don't know about VeChain and that are to agriculture would start to allow themselves to know more about VeChain, as they can just start researching agriculture solutions, and VeChain would come up, increasing its publicity. So, in my opinion, there's still a long run for this coin to go through, and it's not going to be going anytime soon, in my opinion.
Vechain actually has a toolchain which is designed for developers, so it's fully functional and it covers the entire life cycle of products from material procurement, production and processing, logistics, warehousing, storage, and distribution to the end customer. So it's also secure and reliable, so it's adopted by enterprises in various industries around the world, so it's global, and it has with excess network security protection and operation and maintenance capacities. We can provide encryption services for the entire process of data storage and transmission, and that is what Vechain is literally security. It's also cost effective, so the Vechain toolchain comes with an affordable pay-as-you-go pricing model, and you don't really see that very often, pay-as-you-go. And it's providing the complete toolkit as already mentioned, so you'll be able to manage the platform with an IoT chip and equipment using a mobile app with H5 to facilitate management improvement and brand upgrading in a cost-effective fashion. So this is where you would actually get the tool chain. So you have to contact them for the developer and the partner version. But for the standard version, you can just register for the free trial, and this is everything you get. So on the developer version, you'll get the API user guide. You'll get the SDK, which can be used to scan VeChain ID and conduct safety verification automatically in connection to the iOS or Android device. There's also a VID batch management handheld device. So I'm assuming this is what most of you will be going with, the developer version or the standard version. So, but if you're interested in the partner version, then I strongly suggest you look into this in your own time.
Overall, I would give this coin a 9.5 out of 10. Not only is it a big coin already and it's kind of reliable as a sense, the supply is almost going to run out as well. So it kind of gives us a hope that this coin could go potentially parabolic within this cycle. The Bitcoin dominance is currently at 42.2%, and we've seen Ethereum flip Bitcoin's performance. So it's kind of a good sign, and this is what tends to happen between bull runs. So potentially large caps, we are currently in the large cap phase, and we can see VeChain go insane within this cycle. So yeah, I have high hopes for VeChain. In my opinion, 0.2 is still very cheap. $1 is very reasonable in my opinion. And yeah, VeChain has got a long way to go, and 9.5 is reasonable.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and also like the video. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.